Hi, beautiful soul family of Mystic Crab. This is Sudipta, the Mystic Crab. Welcome to the channel. I want to thank each and every one of you who has already subscribed to the channel and to all of those who will subscribe today. Join this family, guys. This is a high vibe community where we share love, unconditional love of the universe with each other. I'm here with your weekly reading. This also is the week of my birthday. So if you want to donate anything to the channel, you can find my Amazon wishlist link in the description below. You can choose something that you would want to gift me because that's what I'll be using in the channel. All right. So without any further delay, let's get into the reading for this week of 12th until the 18th of July. So time is fluid, guys. Take the message as it resonates with your situation. This is a general reading, so take it with a grain of salt. For your personal readings, you can find the details below. Currently, I am running a 33% off on all my services. That's right from the consultation services to the reading services. So whatever you want to avail, they're all available at a discounted 33% price right now. So don't delay. You can buy it now. You can gift it to your friends, family, loved ones, and they can use it anytime later as well. All right, so let's see what this week is bringing to us. Heavenly Father, what do we need to know? Awesome. So yeah, I feel that there's been a time where you have had to snooze, you sleeping, and now something is waking you up, and you're propelling forward. As you wake up, there's this forward propulsion that is happening. So and I have been feeling this energy as well. If any of you have been feeling very heavy, very sleepy, understand that we are going through that in between phase where one cycle has ended, a huge karmic cycle has ended for a lot of us, and we are moving into a time where a new cycle is beginning, and this phase in the middle is just that phase where your body and your system is going through an energetic upgrade, and because of that you may be feeling very lethargic. Okay, and that's what is going on, but don't worry, soon you'll be waking up into another dimension, not literally metaphorically. Why do I say so yeah, we are definitely going through a metamorphosis. That's the reason why they wanted me to say it out. That's why the metamorphosis was coming through instead of the metaphor. So what I mean here is, metaphorically, you are moving into another dimension. Of course, you're still going to be in 3D, but with a 5D consciousness. So that's happening. You're evolving, and something is being grounded now. So that energetic propulsion is happening to your physical body, mind, and spirit. So it's coming from that higher dimension, and it is coming and getting more established in you. All right. Let's get some chakra cards for this spirit. Okay, so that's a lot. I want just one or two, please. Okay. Soulmate. For some of you, you may have been going through this phase where you've been feeling very lonely and left out, and you are going through this metamorphosis phase, and you may have lost a lot of people, but that's what spirit is saying. Your soul tribe is what is going to help you in the next phase of your life. The people who were there in the past, they were people from your past who were supposed to help you learn certain lessons, get certain experiences, and grow to be a certain version of you. That was a karmic phase, but now you are attracting your soul tribe. So whatever that soulmate energy is for you, so if you're seeking friends, if you're seeking that partner, if you're seeking those meaningful connections with people, that's what it is bringing. So what is grounding is that that soul tribe is grounding for you. As you're sleeping energetically, there are more like you who are getting upgraded, and soon your paths will cross. soon your paths will cross and you will be getting connected to like-minded, like vibration people and beings that is going to help you in the next phase of your journey. What you need to do right now is stay away from this energy. No more gossips. If there has been energies around you which have made you feel uneasy, they've not made you feel so good about yourself, it's all right. They were a part of your previous version of life. They don't have to be of the next version of your life. So let go of that energy. Open your heart. Don't close your heart off because of, like, what others are saying, the noise around you. That's what I'm picking up, because there is going to be a lot of noise. Of course there's going to be a lot of noise, because as you're going through that ascension, there are other forces which are trying to wake you up before you are ready to wake up, so that they can stop this process of upgrade. But look at this. But nothing is going to stop it if you trust in yourself, you trust in the universe, and you have that faith in yourself, and you keep yourself away from these low vibration energies, because there's this renewal happening. Your soul tribe is coming to you. There's going to be a new version of you. This is that renewal. This is that new cycle. This is that new cycle that I was talking about. It's all grounding. Look at this. It's like, those rays of sunshine are like, coming in and radiating from you. So, okay. Alright, that's a lot of cards, Spirit. So, there's a lot of energy going on. There's a lot going on. That's what I am sensing. Let's see. Get us some clarity, Spirit, please. Alrighty. See, this is that changed perspective which is required at this time. All this energy, whatever this was, this is a part of your past. Let it go. If you want to attract your soul tribe, you need to start seeing things from a different perspective. Things may have hurt you in the past, but those were supposed to be that way because they were trying to show you probably how you should not be. Because if you have not experienced something, you don't know how it feels. So maybe you were supposed to go through some experience which was painful. And I'm not being the devil's advocate over here. Unfortunately, there was certain soul contract that you had, through which you had to unfortunately go through a certain event in your life, and it was not a good event. I understand that, but now Spirit is saying you are out of it. It's over. Now you are ready to manifest your soul tribe into your life, because those people were a part of your karmic situation. Now it's time for you to change the perspective and see what did you learn from that. How did you probably enable them? Subtly also, how did you probably enable them? How did you play so naive? And I understand in that process you may have lost your innocence in a certain way, but that naiveness of yours, that kind of caused you this trouble. But now it's time for you to set those boundaries and hold those boundaries so that you can attract like-minded, healed, well-sorted individuals in your life. Okay, yeah, there's been a lot of conflict, and I think there's been like this internal conflict that you have been going through, which is why you've been feeling this lethargy as well. It's like, maybe stuff from the past has just been coming to surface for you, and all of a sudden it might have caused some form of chaos, but that is also happening for the cleansing, the last cleansing. So allow that to get processed. Don't get sucked into the energy of it. It's coming up only to get cleansed. This has been a very slow process, but it is finally here. It's grounded and it is over here now. The wait is over. That's what I am getting. And at the bottom I see this 2 of cups, so which is like, the partnership, that harmony, that inner balance, that happiness, sharing it with, like, people who are deserving of you. And this is also that soulmate card. It's also that offer of love which is coming towards you. So for those of you who are seeking that romantic partnership also, this is a great time. If you want to make an offer to someone, this is a great time. If you are seeking somebody, if there is a potential partner around you, it's a great time. Something from your past is coming back. Somebody from your past is coming back. And this is your soul tribe that's coming back for a new beginning. You are attracting your soul tribe during this time. Let's see. Let's get you a message from the universe. So, universe, what do we have for the collective this week? What do you want to tell the beautiful Mystic Crab family? Mystic Crab tribe. Wow. Only if I can get the words through. There's a lot of energy coming through this week, guys. A lot of energy. And the energy is amazing. Something is grounding for sure. So what do we need to know, universe? When I am in alignment with love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. So that inner union, that inner balance is very important at this time. It's very important for you to continue having faith on the universe and align with the universe, because this is your past, this is your present, and what is coming towards you. So make sure that you do not allow this energy to affect what is coming towards you, because what is coming towards you is amazing. It's like harmony, that unity consciousness, globalization, evolution. It's partnership, it's sharing, it's caring, it's something where you evolve together with like-minded people, with energy that resonates with you. That's the kind of energy you are moving into, but you can only do it with an open heart. So you need to open yourself to the universe, and you have to align with the universe. Look at this, it's like aligning with the universe. You are the universe yourself, you're not away from the universe. You have to remember that you yourself are whole in itself. So as you align with your own wholeness, with your own purity, with your own authenticity, that's when you are in alignment with the universe. And when you are in alignment with the universe, you become a manifestation magnet. You start attracting things that you want, people that you want. So make sure that you are in this inner union with yourself first, so that you can allow this outer union to come into place. Alright, this is what I have for this week. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share this with your family and friends, and I would be more than happy to help you with your personal situation. So hit me up below, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, I'm sending you a lot of love, light, and peace. Bye. Namaste.